Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arun Kumar, endodontist speaking from Arunodaya Dental Clinic. I hope everyone is in great health. Oral hygiene is the gateway to general hygiene. We should take care of our oral hygiene properly. We should minimum brush twice a day, at least a morning once and a night before going to sleep once. And we should take care of our teeth. We should go for a checkup every once in 6 months to a dentist so that we can check the initial caries. If it is there, we can go for a restoration. Otherwise, it will cause great problem in the later stages. And gum health also is very important in case of diabetic patients and all. Gum should be very clean. And nowadays, they have found out that there is a connection between the gum health and the bacteria that deposits on the cardiac tissues. So even in that condition also, we should take care of our health. Thank you.